Hi everyone, Matt Watson here from Carwow. I've got another drag race for you, and I'm sat in a BMW X4M competition. So it's got a 3-litre straight 6 twin turbo, the engine that will go in the next M4 and M3. So it puts out 510 horsepower and it has 600 newton meters of torque. Drives all 4 wheels via an 8-speed torque converter automatic gearbox with launch control. This thing weighs 2 tons and it costs £80,000. Now just over there in the distance is my AMG G63 daily driver. So that has a 4-litre twin turbo V8 with 585 horsepower and 850 newton meters of torque. It has a 9-speed automatic gearbox, no launch control, but it does have 4-wheel drive of course, and it weighs 2.5 tons and costs £150,000. Beyond that is a Bowler Bulldog. So that's basically a souped up Land Rover Defender that has been completely reworked in terms of suspension and everything. It's been fitted with a 5-litre supercharged V8 from the Range Rover Sport SVR. As a result, it has 550 horsepower and 700 newton meters of torque. Now that thing obviously has got 4-wheel drive and it's got the same ZF 8-speed gearbox as in the Range Rover. It weighs 1.8 tons, so it's the lighter car here so far, and it costs £135,000, so not cheap, and it's got no mod cons inside it at all. Now for our final car, the white thing next to me, I'm going to hand you over to our guest driver, Alex Kirsten from Car Throttle. So Alex, tell us about the Porsche.
I'm in the Porsche Cayenne. I've got a 4-litre twin turbo V8, 550 horsepower, 770 newton meters. Price £105,000. You could buy a whole
village in Birmingham for that.
It weighs 2.3 tons though, so I'm a little bit nervous, but I think I've got this.
Now if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload. And also make sure you're following Car Throttle as well. Click on the pop-out banner up there to go and see their channel. Anyway, let's get on with the race.
Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. The fight that you never knew you wanted to see. Alex Kirsten versus Matt Watson in a pit of mud. This has got really sexy really quickly.
Oh, this is off the line fast. That Porsche flies.
Oh my God, that hurts.
So does the G. Is the Bowler? Where's the Bowler? I can't. Oh, it's coming ahead of the G.
Look at them walk in the park. Bye bye, everybody. Nice knowing you all. That BMW is not doing too badly.
Am I gaining on that Porsche? Oh no!
Look at that!
It was close. I think the G might have just had him. So then what exactly happened? Well, the Porsche Cayenne Coupe Turbo did the standing quarter mile in 11.6 seconds. The BMW X4M took 11.8 seconds. The Mercedes AMG G63 and the Bowler Bulldog both crossed the line in 12.3 seconds. However, a photo finish revealed the G63 was just a few centimetres ahead. Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. All the cars are in their comfort setting and normal automatic on the gearboxes, although this guy's actually in efficient mode because it doesn't have a comfort for the throttle.
Come on, Cayenne, you got this.
Right guys, here we go. 3,
2,
1,
go! Come on, kick down.
Come on! God, that took ages.
Come on, Porsche, can you do it? I'm going to call this race off. I'm increasing the lead. I'm so happy about this. I'm in efficiency mode and I'm spanking the Porsche. You're not going to catch me. No. Right, that's enough of that. You are toast.
That BMW Jesus, that is rapid.
What do you feel about that, Alex?
Yeah, you know, I totally thought that would happen the whole time.
Now we're going to have a brake test from 70 miles an hour.
Right, left foot brake the out of this.
When we reach the line, full emergency stop, see which car stops in the shortest distance.
Here we go.
Oh!
It's a heavy car, it's done all right. That BMW wins again.
Well, there you go. Clear victory for the BMW. Bit of humiliation for that old bowler there. Saw it kind of just nosediving on the brakes. The Porsche didn't really do much better than the G-Wagon. In fact, let's find out.
Alex, did he beat the G or did it beat you?
I think we're actually level pegging.
So the Porsche didn't actually brake any better than Postman Pat's van.
Yeah, and I actually put my foot through the carpet, so I couldn't have actually braked any harder. The G's brakes are, I mean, they're massive, look at them.
For such a huge thing, it does stop well.
It's 2-1 to the BMW. It won 2 challenges. Though, to be fair, the main challenge, the one that matters most,
Here's the drag race, and the Porsche did win that.
please subscribe to this channel for more videos. And if you click on the deals box to the right, you can see how much you can save on a new car at CarWow. Or click on the video windows below to watch another of my videos.